remember, the winner of this match meets Adamson in the best-of-5 finals. And this is how important this game is. And what happened to that second set, partner?
That's right, that if the first set, the big factor for Ateneo was their service, this time around, they managed to pull up with their attacks and lessen their errors. So, makikita natin na over the second set, Ateneo had the more attack points. In terms of blocking, both teams fared better in the second set. 4 points from Ateneo, 5 from NU. Nagkatalo lang din tayo dun sa, sabi ko nga, like sa error, because NU scored 8 points. I'm sorry, Ateneo scored 5 points also against NU 8.
In a game as special as this game is, napaka-importante yung errors na yan. That will really play a lot in the outcome of this game. As a service error na nga coming from NU, but making up with that off-the-block hit by Santiago.
And you can see that the pressure is actually on the Lady Bulldogs at this point. Ateneo leading by 2 sets. And gaya na nasabi mo kanina, the winner of this match will be playing for the championships.
Yes, waiting lang ito nga Adamson. Falcons who will be their nemesis in the finals. Dapat off speed. Kainglet on the open hit. He was taking that one, but a free ball now given to the Lady Eagles. How will they do this one? Kainglet block. They go to Cassini, but Vivas was there. Happily taking it.
A smile on her face pa. Nakita mo yun?
This time it's free ball given to the Lady Bulldogs. How will they capitalize on this one? Damian Santiago just using the fingers, taking advantage of her height.
That's how tall she is. Sipin mo, actually the ball was over already, di ba?
Yes.
Nandun na sa side ng Ateneo.
Yun nga, kaya fingertips na lang ang ginamit niya to taking that point. Yan yung kanina pa sinasabi ni Coach Francis Vicente sa kanya. You have to take your advantage to your advantage. Diba? That's right. Sayang naman. It's not. And violation called against the Lady Bulldogs. 4 touches says Ateneo gets that point. Jem Ferrer now on the line. And bad news for the Lady Bulldogs. Cassini's in front. Although, nandiyan naman din si Dindin Santiago for them.
Chanko off the block.
Cassini, even with the low set, able to take that point. Yun yung mga veteran moves
And also man dapat was a bit delayed to react.
Mabilis kumilos dun si Cassini. Vivas from the back row, just too much for Lazaro.
The score is now 3-4, NU leading.
The Mikasa MV300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MV300.
And her Basho making her presence felt
with an angle hit,
which has been pretty quiet so far in the game.
Take a look at it one more time. Minsan naman where it matters most, diba? So let's see in this third set, Herbasio will be able to at least help the cause of Ateneo. Kainglet. Herbasio once again. The blocking of NU so far steady, but Herbasio on that angle hit takes another point.
We can see also that the NU needs to adjust on their coverage or for defense. Medyo maluwag talaga yung likod. I think yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Francis kanina. Oo.
Bianco on the first ball. And from defense to offense. Both teams blocking well. And violation as that ball touches the antenna. Again, another tight game.
Yeah. So this has been the trend actually since the first set. It's always a close fight. Talagang di kita ng laban.
Till yung mga almost on the last ladder portion, doon lang lumalayo.
And then I think that's where we could see also kung sino yung mas may kapit eh. You know, really, yung last win ba? That's as most people refer to it.
Hindi yung yung who wants it more. Gretchen, no, taking, that goes wide, going for a running hit.
Yeah, so no touch according to the referee. Coach Francis giving out instructions.
Well, this is an important set for them. If they still want to go into the finals, they have to take this set. Ateneo needing only a set to have that match against Adamson at the finals. It's a 5-game finals for Shakey's Feeling Season 8 first conference. And speaking of which, second conference, July 3 ang ating opening.
Konting pahinga lang at sasabak na naman ang ating mga favorite players. So, ibig sabihin para sa manonood, konting pahinga lang din, konting paghihintay lang.
Hindi nyo naman kami masyadong mamimiss yan. Konti lang. And, running it at Gretchen Ha.
That was a very long rally, Morgan.
And finally, NU taking that point as they are now up by 3 in this third set. We'll take a break.